Have you ever tried drawing on black paper? I think it's amazing what you can create with just one white and one black pencil. For this gorilla, I'm using Fabriano Black Black paper together with a Pablo White pencil and a black pencil. I chose the Pablo White because it's one of the most opaque white pencils that I know. So it's perfect for this technique. The nice thing is that you can create lots of different tones just by changing your pencil pressure and adding more or fewer layers. So you can go from really soft highlights right through to bright whites. Now, eventually, you'll get to a point where even your lightest pressure is still a little too bright. That's where the black pencil comes in. I use it to gently soften the white even more. It's also really handy for correcting little mistakes or creating those lovely deep shadows. For this sort of project, it works almost like an eraser. And that's really all there is to it. Just by building it up slowly with those two pencils, you can create a gorilla that's full of texture and character. Before you know it, you've got a drawing that's so realistic it feels as though it's looking straight back at you. If you've never tried drawing on black paper before, I'd really encourage you to give it a go. You might surprise yourself by what you can create with such a simple technique. And here is Mr. Gorilla on black paper drawn with one white and one black pencil.